Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for one day. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of DXY in front of us right now, because in forex market DXY US dollar plays a huge role. If you really want to master any USD pair, then you must be having a good information about the DXY. You must be knowing the body language, the important levels of DXY very well. This is my opinion. Okay. The last traded price of DXY is 98.56, and we can see that DXY has already formed a triple top around 99.40, So experts are of the opinion that there may be a bearishness on the chart of DXY very soon, but keep in mind that we have multiple layers of support on the chart of DXY that I have already talked in detail in my previous videos. So in case we see some sort of selling in the coming week, then around 98 level we can expect some sort of support. And as I have already discussed in my previous videos, the 97.75, 97.75 is a very crucial level for DXY, not only because we have a 200 period moving average, but also we had the static support as well. So multiple layers of support: 98, 97.75, then 97.40. So just keep in mind, or in simple words, as long as DXY is trading above 97 level, we can consider the chart to be bullish. So 97 is a very important level for DXY, but I believe that until unless we have a big news coming up, okay, DXY will remain bullish, or at least try to maintain its position above 97.40. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. And here is our beloved Euro USD, and as you can see that I'm in the 4 hours time frame. So the last traded price of Euro USD is 1.1047. 1.1047. This is the last traded price. If you have watched my previous video, yesterday's video, then we were expecting that Euro USD would take support around this level. Not only because this is the previous resistance becoming support, but also we had 50 moving average. So we had two factors to trust this level as a support, and we can see that Euro USD just closed at the support. So we have a buying opportunity here after the market opening. But as we all know that there is a correlation between Euro USD and DXY. So after the market opening, observe the chart of DXY. As you can see that DXY was reversing during the last trading hours. So if the reversal, if the reversal or the correction continues on DXY, then we can hope Euro USD to bounce from the support zone, because Euro USD has been taking support beautifully. Because when the NFP report came out, when DXY was going up, then Euro USD was holding the support level. So this support level is not a very bad level. Okay, we can consider this as a good support. So I think that there is a good possibility of Euro USD bouncing from the support level of 1.1040. If market bounces, if you see DXY correcting after the market opening, you can definitely go for buy. But my dear friends, as we all know that no level is permanent in the market. So in case we see Euro USD breaking the support and going down, if we see Euro USD breaking the support and going down, in that case you can expect buying around this level, 1.0995. Around this level you can expect Euro USD to take the next support. And the ultimate support, as we all know, is available around 1.0960. These are the support levels for the Monday and Tuesday. Until and unless we see a heavy fall, waterfall on Euro USD, we can expect Euro USD to take support around these levels. Right now, Euro USD support sitting at the first support. If market bounces, then we can definitely go for buy. But in case it breaks it after the market opening, then 1.0995 we can expect the next support or the second support. And in case of a heavy fall, 1.0960 will hopefully come for the rescue of Euro USD. Okay, so this is the scenario if Euro USD goes down after the market opening. And if Euro USD, let's say you find or you watch this video after a long time and you see that Euro USD has gone up sharply. In that case, okay, what you can do, you can expect selling pressure around the 200 moving average. See, this is a dynamic resistance here, so I cannot give you the exact value. Okay, so it would be better, okay, if you can plot the 200 moving average on your chart. Okay, and roughly you can expect selling pressure around 1.1100. Yes, around 1.1100 you can expect the 200 moving average to be acting as the dynamic resistance. If you find market reversing, yes, confirmation is always important. So if you see that market is reversing from the resistance, if you see price is being rejected from above, price rejection is there in the form of shooting star, bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing pattern, then you can take a sell position as well. And if it breaks it, then the second selling opportunity would be around 1.1125. Okay, this is your second selling opportunity. And the strongest selling opportunity or the strongest resistance as of now is around 1.1180 to 1.1200. This is the strongest resistance zone on the chart of Euro USD right now. If market goes up, then you can expect sellers to be present in this level, and if market reverses, you can definitely go for sell position as well. But before this level, okay, market will have to pass through 1.1100, the 200 moving average, and the 1.1125. So if market reverses, you can definitely go for sell as well. Overall, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then you can see after this huge fall in the market, though Euro USD is trying to go up, but the buying pressure is not that high. Okay, overall market is forming higher highs undoubtedly, but there is not much heavy bullishness in the market as well. So be very careful. And my dear friends, as you all know that I am on a mission for the next 2 months to spread knowledge. Yes, I have recently started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to take trading as a serious profession, then you can check out. The link is in the description. And if you are simply looking for service, if you cannot afford much time for trading, then you can simply sign up for the world's cheapest signal service that I have launched recently. The main reason behind launching is that things have changed after the COVID-19. Millions of people around the world have lost their job and employment. Okay, so this is something from my side to the universe. Okay, so it's only $2 per month. Hopefully you can afford it. Okay, if you really want to sign up, then the link is in the description. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.